So this is a video of the rat rod mower, but engine swapping basically, because I took the original out and I got a Predator engine. It is the, let's see, and hopefully you've seen that. If not, it's a Predator engine, basically a little push mower engine. Just took the holes, you can see the paint. I just sprayed paint down inside where the holes were, drilled it out, bigger size than it needed to be. That way I had a little bit of slop. Put a washer on the underneath, put a bolt the whole way through, and it bolts in. For this, you normally have it on the handle. You pull back that handle and then that will fire up your mower every time you pull it. For that, I just put the stock cable on there and rigged it up. And then that way whenever you lift this, it doesn't like to stay, so I made it have a place to rest on. That way it's now pulled in. And it still had a throttle cable on it, so I just added a separate one to the side. So now you grab your handle and then whenever you release that, it releases this, because this used to be pulled in. I'll do it. So whenever you release that, it will shut it down. But like I said, it doesn't like to, so I just have the chain here so I can hook it up and have it mounted so it stays up. And this is, like I said, the secondary throttle just mounted to the side. So if you want to put a push mower engine on a riding mower, that's how you do it. Then all you need to do is just get a pulley that fits your shaft underneath and run the belt on it.